Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Laura if you're new here. I just want to say a big thank you to those of you that have already subscribed to my channel and that have left some lovely comments and likes. It really, really means the world to me. In today's video I'm going to bring you along as I give the house a quick clean. I have a few things that I need to tick off my list, and I've also added some cooking into this video, so leave a comment down below and let me know if that's something that you'd like to see on my channel in the future. So today, first job is to clean this bathroom. This is the main bathroom in our house and it's used primarily by our children. As I said in a previous video, we bought this house 14 years ago, and at the time we didn't get to choose any of the finishes in the house itself. So maybe down the line we will renovate this bathroom, but for now it's in perfect working order, so it's not something we're going to do in the immediate future. I just want to apologize for my appearance in these videos. I don't know about you, but when I'm cleaning I need to wear something super comfortable. I normally throw on an old t-shirt and some leggings and something that I can move and bend and stretch in. It just makes life so much easier when you're comfortable. So funny, after saying in my last video that my son normally keeps it on top of his bedroom, he hasn't cleaned it at all. I think it's just because it's the summertime, he's off outside playing a lot with friends, and I don't mind giving him a hand to keep it on, to keep on top of the cleaning. And this is definitely the fail of the day for me.
Would you follow me, or would you let it be if I leave tonight?
I can see the teenage years are on the horizon with my son, all these glasses and cups left in his bedroom.
Till the morning light, before you turn away, I just want you to know that I didn't throw you.
I just want to show you here his really cute artwork. He's constantly doodling and drawing, and he loves watching all the videos on YouTube as well on how to draw, but I thought these were so cute, and he's obviously really proud of them as well because he had them sitting on his window.
And I know that I said all these things, but no.
It feels so good to get all of these things ticked off the list and all done, so I can just chill out for the evening and don't have to worry about any more cleaning.
Would you let it be if I leave tonight? We could do this right. We'll find the
I like to clean our sheets once a week. Normally I do it on a Sunday or a Tuesday, and I normally take them off in the morning, get them in the wash and have them dried and on the bed by that night. When I started this cleaning video I had an empty washing basket, and as you can see I now have a full washing basket.
that we said we would burn. Oh, I know that you feel it too. I know that I told.
This is the laundry combination I'm using at the moment. The Surf Deep Sea Minerals and Comfort, I think it's called Sunshine. I love the Comfort Sunshine. I normally stick with that one, but change the laundry detergent. I've actually noticed a lot of people using like the combination. I think it's Bold, Lenore, and the Unstoppable Scent Booster. And I think I might give that a go as well. I like to change up the laundry detergent every so often. I think you get really bored with the same one, or you get used to the same one, and your washing doesn't smell as fresh.
Or would you follow me? Or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning? Would you stay till the morning light? Or would you follow me? Or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light?
And if it's not your children making a mess after you've cleaned up, Penny got a boost of the Zoomies here and decided to undo all of my hard work.
I know that I told you we're over. I swear that I'm sober. Just listen, I miss you. And I know that I said all these things, but now when you're with her, I can see that you miss me.
Okay, so after all that cleaning, it's now dinner time, so I thought I'd bring you along and show you what we're having today. We're going to have Thai green curry. It's not authentic in any way, shape or form. I'm not really following a recipe. I've made it a few times, but I haven't made it in a while, so might work out, might not work out, but okay, I'll show you what we have. Okay, so here we go. Here I'm all set up here now. I have some onions, ginger, garlic, coconut milk, Thai green curry, fish sauce, dried red chilies, and the vegetables that I'm going to put in, I just kind of whatever I could find in my fridge. So I have a pepper, 3 sad mushrooms that need to be used up, some manchu, some baby sweet corn, and I'm going to put some chicken in as well. And as you can hear over here, I have basmati rice on the go, so I'm going to lower that down now and give it a stir.
When I'm cooking, I have to have a clean kitchen. I just find it so stressful when there's mess around me and I just don't work well, so I always give the kitchen a good clean down before I start cooking. I normally clean out the sink, get rid of any dishes that need to be done, and spray everything down, give it a wipe, and then I'm all set and ready to go.
Maybe it's something in the water, or maybe we just hit the end of the road. Right now it doesn't even matter. It's too late not to let it go, and that's why I wish you the best and say goodbye. You start to get dressed and then we cry, 'cause we both know it's gonna hurt, but not as much as this does. We had a good run, don't say we didn't.
Please leave a comment down below and let me know if you like to see cooking here on my channel. I know I like to see it on other people's channel. I get very complacent with meal planning and I definitely need the inspiration. So I'd love to know what you think. And if you have any recipe ideas you'd like to share with me, I'd love to see them. I'm always looking for some new ideas.
It's too late not to let it go, and that's why I wish you the best and say goodbye. You start to get dressed and then we cry, 'cause we both know it's gonna hurt, but not as much as this does. So baby, bye. It's for the best.
This recipe turned out really well. One thing I would say is I like my Thai green curry to be very spicy, and this wasn't really that spicy. It was fine for the kids because it was nice and mild, but next time I definitely add a lot more chili.
We had high. You start to get dressed and then we cry. 'Cause we both know it's gonna hurt, but not as much as this does. So baby, bye. It's for the best and you know why. You gotta leave me here right now before we make this even worse. It's gonna hurt even more than this does. Ooh,
So this is how the recipe turned out. Everybody enjoyed it. As I said, I would add more chili the next time. But overall, it was a winner.
here's to the good
I'd
days.
just like to say thank you so much for watching today's video.
This is a mistake.
Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, comment down below,
I don't wanna fight no
and I will
more,
see
'cause
you in the next video.